Okay, so now we have our weapon with its rig. We now want to make an animation rig, which is basically the arms and all the controllers for creating the animation on. So what we have to do is, I'm just going to clear this scene. Go to your, well, whichever game you're making this animation for, go to that games folder, root folder, and make sure you have mod tools installed. Then go to bin, Maya, rigs, view model, and you want the view model underscore rig, and drag that into your Maya scene. Just wait for that to load. Okay, go to texture mode, so we've got our arms, rigs, controllers and stuff, we can play with that. And these move the hands, etc. So what we need to do is add our weapon to this. You can do this via the Call of Duty menu in Maya, using this menu, but I find it's just quicker to do it manually. So what we have to do is just drag our Maya binary of the model with the joints in the scene here, just move it forward a bit. Then we want to go to our layers menu and click view, the V for viewable, visible on the joints. Take R mode off, which is reference mode I believe. Select that, go to outline of view, edit, no, display, reveal selected. Then we want to go to our animation shelf, click a joint, select that, place the joint, press enter. Set the J gun, then this little temporary joint we created, click the connect button, then go back to here, delete the temporary joint, J gun, then I'm just going to press V to snap it to the location of that, and then we're just going to reposition it a little bit to where we want. I think about there will be fine, just so it's in this gun controller. We can resize this if we want, might make it a bit bigger. It's up to you, you just control the vertex and drag it down, but it is unnecessary. Next we have to select these bits and move them. Well, this is what I do, you may do it differently. I find this works best. Move that to be over the hand. Select the other one, go to the animation menu, constraint, parent, and do the same for the other one. I think that will do, just about. Let's just rotate it and move it a bit, and then constraint again, the parent. Okay, so now when we select this, we can move it as a whole. We also have these two controllers here, which are meant for the clip, which we can position now. Just going to remove the arms, make it a bit more visible, and then put the joints into, I forget what T mode is, but yeah, it's pretty much like reference, in that you can't select them. I'm going to put the body of that into ref T mode as well. So put it up to there. Just place this wherever, it doesn't really matter. You can also just adjust it slightly to have it how you want to look. Okay, so we can now make that visible again, take that off. You can also, if you want to, you can go to drawing overrides, enable, and then just select a colour for it. So you can make it green. But I think there's already some green stuff in this scene, so I'll make it like a sandy colour. if we move this controller, it doesn't actually move the clip, so we're just going to sort that now. Sorry, I just had to pause the video for a second. So we're just going to make this clip, move the clip, well this controller. So outliner view, I don't know why I closed that, I need that. We want def joints to be selectable. Just select the entire hierarchy, reveal selected. And then we want tag clip. So we select the controller, then the joint, constraint, parent. Now if we select this, we can move it. Simple. So now when we move it, it moves as one. So we can move the gun over here, move our clip out, move our gun, and it moves with it. Okay, so now you're in this state. You should have really saved this at the start. I've been saving it throughout, but I wasn't doing that. So save this, because if you fuck it up for whatever reason, just go back to this point, because it's basically like a fresh start. So this is the end of this video. For the next video I will go through basically getting ready to start the idle animation, stuff like that. We don't need to export anything at this stage, we've just got the animation rig set up and ready for animating. Alright, okay.